Hi wing lovers, can you tell which wing is which? Today we got wings from 6 different franchises that everyone knows and loves, and I'm going to try and taste them blindfolded and tell which is which. I'll be rating them on a scale from 1 to 10 based on flavor and taste, and at the end of all of this I'm going to try and replicate the same wings at home. So let's just see what happens.
Which wings did you get from which store?
We got from Debonair's, Chicken Licken, everyone's favorite, KFC, close rival, Nando's, I didn't even know they made wings, but okay, Spur, buffalo wings are amazing, and we have them from Pick and Pay. They make wings as well, so that's going to be interesting to see if they actually taste good or not. So as you can see, I'm completely blindfolded. I don't have an eye mask, but I mean, if it's good enough for the president, it's good enough for me. I'm using a face mask. So yeah, let's taste the wings. Where's the first wing? Okay. Is it in front of me? Okay. I can't feel it. Oh. Is this the first wing? Why is it so dry? I have to smell it, right? Okay, this smells like a spa. It's kind of like foam. I don't know. It's very dry. Why is it so dry? I mean, I can taste the spa like vibes, like that sauce. I think it's a dirty sauce. But okay, it's dry.
Try the other one.
It doesn't taste like how I remember it.
Try the other one.
What is the other one? Oh. Is it from the same place?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, maybe you.
Oh. That sauce is like pungent. Well.
Okay.
That's good.
So?
That's fun.
Is that your
I
guess?
mean, okay, I'll give it, yeah, no, I mean, I love spur. I love the sauce. I don't know about the wing though. Now that you gave me without the sauce, like the wing is a bit, it's like quite dry. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna give this, I'll give it a, God, this is so hard. Because I love spur. Okay, I'll give it a 6. No, I'll give it a 7. I'll give it a 7.
Okay.
I'll give it a 7. Okay. Okay. What is this? This is like grilled wing. What is that? It's not like anything. Oh my god, no. That's horrible. What is this? Have I been here before? And have I gone to this place? I don't like that. Like, it's like they tried to make like a barbecue thing, but then I don't know what happened.
So where do you think it's from?
I don't know. I mean, it tastes very like, it tastes fake. I don't know if you know what I mean. Like, it's not nice. Okay, the wing is dry. 1. The sauce is horrible. I don't know what's going on there. I'm not even gonna eat a piece. I think it's from Pick and Pay. Pick and Pay, probably. I mean, they don't know what they're doing. I'm sorry to say.
What do you score it?
It's like a 3. It's not a nice wing. It doesn't have a nice sauce. It's dry. It doesn't have a nice sauce. Okay. I think it's Pick and Pay. Okay. There's no smell in this thing. This chicken wing doesn't have a smell. It smells like oil. I don't understand. What is it? Oh my god, it tastes like... Okay, now I know what it is. This is Nando's. This has to be Nando's. But it's very underwhelming.
So what do you rate it out of 10?
me taste it first. I think I'll give it a 7. I like it because it's softer than the first one, which I think was Spur. I think this is Nando's, so it tastes like this has been grilled instead of deep fried. I'll give this a 7. I don't know what I gave. Did I give the first one a 7? I gave it a 6 then. Okay. I should be able to tell like which is from Jimmy. What is this? Oh, this is good. This is. Wait, what? It tastes like KFC. It tastes like KFC, but it tastes like chicken. Okay, no, it's chicken bacon. But when you bite into it, the breading that they use is like sort of similar, I think. I haven't had a lot of KFC wings, but this is chicken bacon. This is like a 9. Like chicken bacon is the best by far. Okay. What is this? It's like hectic. I mean, these wings don't smell that much. Why? Okay, this is KFC. It's KFC. It's nice though. I won't lie. Like, it's so hard. KFC and chicken licken. It's so hard. Like, how do you? Okay. This is KFC. It's hard. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay. I don't like how you can't taste the actual meat in KFC, but you can taste the meat in chicken licken. So I think if I gave the previous one, which I think is chicken licken, if I gave it a 9, then I'll give this one an 8. I don't know how much I gave the previous one, but this will be then an 8. This is a close second if it's KFC. I think it's KFC. It smells like, tastes like KFC. Okay. Oh, there's another one. What is that? It smells like 6 gun. It smells like 6 gun spice. Is it 6 gun spice? Is it not being big? It smells. It tastes like home. I don't know what to tell you. It tastes like. I feel like I've eaten these wings before at home in Freiburg. I don't know what base sauce they use, but this is definitely Pick n Pay. But I love how they. It doesn't taste like. It doesn't taste like they boiled the chicken. A lot of people boil chicken first or something crazy like that, but this tastes like they actually grilled the chicken for a very long time. It's very moist inside, but the flavor is very familiar. But I can't tell what it's obviously Pick n Pay. I'm gonna say this is Pick n Pay. And I'm actually gonna give this an 8. It tastes good. For a grilled place, if it's a Pick n Pay, like, that's amazing. If it's grilled, it's like up there with Nando's in terms of flavor and in terms of texture of the meat. It's like amazing.
Okay, guys, so the results are in. Coming in at last place with 3 points is Debonaire's barbecue chicken wings. Tied at third place is Nando's and Spur's chicken wings. Tied at second place with 8 points is KFC and Pick n Pay's chicken wings. So don't sleep on Pick n Pay, guys. They might surprise you, eh? And the number 1 chicken wings that slaps and still slaps today is the chicken licken hot wings, coming in with 9 points. So if you like the chicken licken wings, please like this video. Comment if you think that KFC or Pick n Pay should have actually taken the throne. In part 2, I will actually be recreating the chicken licken hot wings. So that'll be very interesting. Stay tuned, guys.